for any business when they're taking on change and change involving technology and established systems and processes, it always feels very nerve-wracking. It feels like there's a lot of risk, and it also feels like it's going to be very expensive. It's going to take a long time. And also from a project management point of view, internally, there's going to have to be a lot of people involved in making sure it's done right and that backwards and forwards and fighting over contracts. What was the reality of having a middleware solution developed by Avrion for you?
So I think everything you said, looking at the man hours involved in rolling that project out and making sure that you're analysing every step of that. You've got costs involved, how you can offset those costs. For Datashred, it was a no-brainer because of what we wanted to achieve. So I think when you're looking at doing something like this within your business, it's taking that view of, okay, we're doing this and we want to make it better. And by implementing some form of middleware, yes, it's going to be a timely project, but at the end of it, it's going to be worth it because the costs involved, you'll be saving money elsewhere in the business. Manual processes become faster processes. So yeah, it was worth it.